Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and we will be learning phonics. In this video, we will learn the sound of the letter X. Sound of the letter X is X. X sound. What's this? It is a box. B-O-X. Box. Listen to the X sound at the end of the word. Fox. F-O-X. Fox. Ox. O-X. Ox. The X sound. Wax. W-A-X. Wax. 6. Number 6. S-I-X. 6. X sound. Tux. T-U-X. Tux. Tax. T-A-X. Tax. Sound of the letter X is X. Axe. A-X-E. Axe. X-ray. X-R-A-Y. X-ray. Let's learn few more words. F-I-X. Fix. M-I-X. Mix. C-R-U-X. Crux. R-E-F-L-E-X. Reflex. Fix. Mix. Crux. Reflex. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned something from it.